Hello everybody. Today we are talking about how to install screen lock icon after the Marshmallow update for the Honor 5X or Gr5. First of all, we have to know that this application is not uninstalled in the update, but it's also just hidden from being shown here. To install this application, we have to install an application called Awesome Icons. You can see this icon. Okay, open it. After this, we can choose our icon from applications here. It's called Screen Lock. This is called faster. We got it. So select it and click protect icon and OK. Shortcut created. Back. We can see it here in our screen and lock